Alright, you're welcome once more to my YouTube channel. I am J.SMART-DIGITALS. Today I'll be showing you how you'll be able to design this using your smartphone. You can see it is designed here. Can change or do anything that you want to do. So without wasting much of our time, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do it subscribe, because if you don't subscribe you don't understand this thing. Like, you don't understand it. It's not as if I'm cursing anybody. Well, I'm not cursing you, but make sure you subscribe. Or like, subscribe. Well, if you want to subscribe, you leave. If you don't want, you still, I don't know anyways. Just subscribe. Okay, God bless you. So let's get started. First thing first is to set the size. Let me clear this thing. Exit. Let me exit and come back. First thing first is to set the size of your design. Sorry. Ugh, village people, allow my design to be. So this thing is set the size, the image size. If you don't know how to set it, just learn it now. You come over here, this place first, click on it, then come to image size. You will see image size over here, so click on there. You will see you can just push this one to 1080, 1380. This thing is for my clients. Yeah, a client said I should design it. I just have to, like, my laptop was off, so using laptop to design is I just say, okay, let me design it with my phone. So then you have to start somewhere by bringing up the resources. So without wasting much of our time, let me get my resources ready here on the screen. So my resources, everything, they are ready. Yeah, they are ready. So this is the background that I'll be using. I just bring it up here. Then this one is just a white a shape, yeah, just a shape that you just put here. Then place the background also here. There is nothing else. There is not much thing. You can just bring it up here. Then you lock up this space here, this shape, sorry. So you just have to lock it up. So this is the logo of the this thing is kind of is blurred, so but he said I should use it that way. I don't have any choice. I have to use it, though it will not be shown, it will not show very well, because by the time I decrease it and it match with this white background, everybody will know that it is smart choice. So that is that. So the next thing you have to do is start placing things in order. This one is a bed. You have to place it here, I think. I'm also looking at this one that I've already designed. So you come over here and you place this one over here. Let me check. 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 So that is it. You place it here. So this one is the air condition. Air condition, that's AC. So you just have to on something. Okay, before then just place it over here. Then this one you place it here. These things are very simple, like very simple, guy. Very simple. It's just to get the knowledge of what you want to do, then leave the rest for God. Okay, so you can just place it over here. So I think it is okay here. So this one, you place it here, you bring it up here. Which other one? So I think it's okay. So then you use this one and cover it, place it very well. So that, even looking at this design, is not even like, it's very simple. It's something that you just get your ideas. And so now this is a shape I will be using. Where is the shape? Where is the shape? This is it, this one. Let me check. Okay, yeah, that should be the shape. So place it over here. Are you getting me now? Now place this one here. Just calm down and you will do it and you will understand it. So this one here, bring it up here. So cover it, cover it. So you can see that we are achieving something. Okay, are you getting me now? So this one here, give some space, bring it down. So this thing here, you should delete it. It's no more necessary. So delete it as well. Delete this one. So then this one, you have to bring this you type, let us, okay, you know what to do. So there's something I was supposed to show you, but I'll show you later on. So this one here, place it over here. This one as well. Where is the, okay, this one, place it over here. Then smart, I've already, I've already written this thing, like it's very simple. So but I'll just be telling you the font that I use in case. Okay, what's the next thing? Once you must have arranged the work, there is to arrange them very well, like arrange them. So now let me just tell you what to do so that I will not waste time on this video, because it's very simple. Whenever you are designing something for somebody, okay, so this is smart choice. So whenever you are designing something for somebody, know what you want to design. Okay, know what you want to design. Just don't just start designing whereas you don't know what you want to design. So just know what you want to design. Okay, it helps. Are you getting me now? It helps. So now, and as well, alignment matters a lot. Are you getting me now? Alignment matters a lot. Properties and essential. Alignment matters a lot. So whenever you are also designing, you have to align your works, align it very well, so that you don't just have to be placing things anywhere you see you place things. No, it doesn't work that way. So align your work very well. Okay, so when somebody sees, we say, even though the work is not difficult, but when somebody sees it, the person will say, yeah, it's like it's presentable, like it's presentable. Are you getting me now? So this one here, you bring it up here. This is the shape that I use. You know how to get the shape, right? You just have to come over here, place it 21 is okay. Okay, is it 21? Let me check. Yeah, 21 is okay. Then stretch it, bring it up here. So align your work very well. Okay, align your work very well. It helps. It helps the design to be very, very nice. Are you getting me now? So this one, you just have to, okay. And this, see, another thing that will make you not to do this thing very well is, if you have not yet subscribed, if you have not yet subscribed, like, you just, once you must have, let me just assume that you must have understood this step and everything. Yeah, you say, okay, I'm ready to go, I'm good to go, but you did not subscribe. Like, that is an error. Is a big error, big error. So make sure you subscribe. Okay, so that's it. Where the default place to front, just keep it here, later we arrange it. So make sure you subscribe. Okay, now there is something that I did. Let me show you. Where did I start? Refrigerator, right? Where is refrigerator? So there is something I did. That is it. I've already typed this thing. Are you getting me now? I've already typed it. So it's now for me to start putting these circles and everything. So now when I was putting it, now I have to use my ruler. That is what we call ruler. Are you getting me now? This is ruler. Let me show you. This is ruler, or it can also be called grid line. So you click on it to enable your ruler. So when you enable it, so you come over here and also click on it. Are you getting me now? When you click on it, you have to come over here and place the ruler here. Are you getting me? That is where the circle that we want to put will lies on, so that it will not, one will not be at America, the other one at Nigeria, the other one, like, it will be scattered. Are you getting me now? So you have to place it very well. Okay, so that is the essence of this ruler. Are you getting me now? So after you must have placed it very well, you just have to off it. Go back there again and click on it and off it. Now it has gone. So that is to see that once anyone that you put, it will be there. Like let's check, let's check. Is it this one? Sorry. Okay, so that is to say that this ruler have to be here, it has to be here, this one has to be here, it has to be here. Are you getting me now? So now you will be seeing something. Anyone that I remove, it will just be there, it will not cross, because I use ruler to align it. Are you getting me now? So it will just, let me just be showing, let me just open them. So you will see it is now aligned. Are you getting me now? So that is to say that this thing was aligned before I start. So you can just decrease this one a bit so that it will mesh. So although at the end of the class you also know how to align all these things. It's very, very simple, and I've already taught you now. So make sure you align your works, okay? So that is that. At the end of the class, you'll be able to get this thing done. So you'll be able to get it done. So you can see that I've already aligned and arranged it very, very well, like very, very well. So when you remove it, you see that this thing now is very, very well. So you put your name, your brand name. That is, my own is designer J.SMART-DIGITALS. You can just make it look so fancy, like. So that is it. That's all. So make sure you align your works, okay? And if you have not yet subscribed and you're watching this now, please, the font that we are using on this smart choice is called, let me look for the font and tell you so that you know, say that I left you behind. So the font I used here is called it's like I use Orange. Yeah, Orange Avenue Demo Regular. So that's the font I use. Even this one, the same font, Orange Avenue. Let me show it to you. This one, this particular one, please. Let me show you this one here. Orange Avenue Demo Regular. So that's the same font I used here. So but the one that I typed, the font I use is Roboto. I think Roboto should be okay. Is it Roboto or what? Let me check. Is it Roboto? Yeah, it's Roboto. Roboto is okay. Roboto Medium is okay. Roboto Medium. Don't use bold. Roboto Medium is okay. So you can see that is exactly what I did. So you can just use only 2 fonts to design this so that it will look so matured. Okay, thanks for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, like and drop a comment. If there is any question, ask me. Thank you.